So I'm inside NationBuilder and I've created a test page. You can use an existing page, but I like to do my testing on a blank page just so I make sure that nothing can interfere. I'm just using a plain HTML page, and you can tell if you go into settings, most content types I think will work. Most of the page types will let you uncheck this show sidebar. If that's grayed out on the content type you want to work with, you'll want to use method 2 and use the liquid logic. So then we're going to go ahead and save this page. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and go into the page template. This is different from the theme templates, which control every page. This just controls this one page. So you can see I've already created a div, and inside that div I have a span with that floats left, and that's 68% of the width, and that's my content. And then I have a second span that floats right and is 30%, and that's the sidebar. And you can switch those if you want a left-hand sidebar. And the reason they don't add up to 100% is because we're going to add some padding. Okay, and we want to add our padding. Actually, we want to add some padding to this div too. And that's just so, because when you float things, the footer comes up. Oops, I didn't actually add any padding. The footer comes up and there's not enough space after the content, and so it looks a little bad. So we're going to add that, and then we're going to add padding here. And we're just going to add padding right, just so they're not, the content of this content isn't kind of smushed up against the sidebar. And that's the technical term, smushed. So we're going to save and publish. And then I'm going to open this in another tab so I can keep that open. Oh, hello now. There we go. We'll just preview it. And so you can see we have our content here and our sidebar, and that's looking pretty good.